Here's all our fence posts or fence beams. That's where I'm gonna camp out. Sadly, that tree died. And there's another one behind this one here. It's dead, and then this one is half and half. You can see the green on it. But then as you go up, it's dying. So this is about 20 to 30 feet from the road. And I've already marked this big tree. That way it's the next one to go. It fell, took out all the roots, so it's nice. I don't have to dig those out. There's another one that's ready to go. And I'm gonna go, you can see the yellow cord. That's gonna be part of the driveway, which is gonna stop here. Well, it was gonna stop here with, now that the tree died, so I don't know, we might have to eventually take that out. But it's gonna go right where the truck is. Those 3 trees that have taken over the truck are gonna go. Driveway comes this way, up around that tree, and then comes back down. Then you can also, it's gonna have a semicircle, and it's gonna go where the truck is. I'll show you. And that tree there with the little cord on there. Where the truck is, we come this way, wrap around. All this right here on the ground has to go. No trees are cut, so that's good. This one right here will eventually have to go. That tree right there. That one. This little guy. Follow the line. That tree, those 3 right there, or 2, will stay. Branches will have to go so it doesn't scratch the car. Then it comes out. This tree stays, that tree stays, and this will be the new driveway. And I'm gonna dig this out today. Hopefully I make it way out here. And then there's still that green pole there, still another 30 feet that way of property. We're gonna enter here from this tree and that tree, enter here, go around, and come out where the truck is. Any trees growing this way in here, once I clean all that on the ground, it'll spur new growth. All these little guys here, even this one here, that one, that one, that one, all those over there will grow freely. All right. Oh yeah, this guy. This tree. I might bring it down today or tomorrow. It's stuck between the 2 trees. Actually 4 trees. Otherwise it would have come down. But it's long. This will be fun. And that one will go down too.